If you are searching for the best luxury resorts in Goa with a private beach, you need to understand one important thing first. In Goa, no beach is legally private. But some luxury resorts are built in such a way that they create a private beach-like experience, using large land areas, controlled access, and low crowd density. And this is what actually matters. Now, Goa has two very different luxury experiences: North Goa and South Goa. North Goa is more social and active. South Goa is quieter and focused on privacy and relaxation. Let's start with South Goa, because this is where you will find the best private beach experiences. The first and most premium option is the St. Regis Goa Resort. This resort is spread across 49 acres and is located near Mobor Beach, where the river meets the sea. Because of this location, the beach feels almost completely secluded. One of its key highlights is the butler service, which is available for every guest and handles everything from room setup to personalized requests. The property also has lagoons, gardens, and multiple fine dining restaurants, making it more like a private estate than a hotel. Another major resort is Taj Exotica Resort and Spa. This property is spread across 56 acres and has around 800 meters of beachfront. Because of the large garden area between the rooms and the beach, the shoreline remains quiet and less crowded. It is especially popular with families because it offers a golf course, spa, and private villa options with plunge pools. It is also one of the few luxury resorts in Goa that is pet-friendly, which makes it unique. Next is ITC Grand Goa Resort and Spa. This resort is designed like a traditional Goan village, with rooms spread across 45 acres of coconut groves. It is also one of the most sustainable luxury resorts in India, with eco-friendly systems and a large wellness spa called Kaya Kalp. This is a good option if you want a mix of luxury and wellness in a quiet beach setting. Now let's move to North Goa, which offers a different type of luxury. Here, resorts focus more on design, social atmosphere, and nightlife access. One of the most popular options is W Goa. Located near Vagator Beach, this resort is known for its modern design and high-energy vibe. It has beach access, but the beach itself is public and usually busy. This resort is best suited for travelers who want both luxury and nightlife. Another option is JW Marriott Goa. This is more of a luxury hotel than a traditional beach resort. It doesn't offer direct private beach access, but it compensates with infinity pools, entertainment zones, and modern facilities. This works well for families or groups who want everything inside the property. If you want something more private and boutique, there are also smaller luxury stays. One example is Ahilya by the Sea. This is a villa-style property with very few rooms, offering a highly personalized experience. Instead of large crowds, you get private spaces, custom meals, and a quiet coastal setting. This type of stay is ideal if privacy is your main priority. Now let's talk about pricing. Luxury resorts in Goa can vary a lot depending on the season. During peak season, especially December and New Year, prices can increase by up to 100% or more. During the monsoon season, prices can drop by 40 to 60%, making it a good time for luxury stays at lower cost. However, during monsoon, the sea is usually not swimmable, so most of the experience shifts to pool villas and spa treatments. In simple terms, the best luxury resort in Goa with a private beach depends on your travel style. If you want maximum privacy and premium service, St. Regis is one of the best. If you want family-friendly luxury with a large beachfront, Taj Exotica is a strong option. If you prefer wellness and eco-luxury, ITC Grand Goa works well. If you want social luxury and nightlife, W Goa is a better fit. And if you want complete privacy in a boutique setting, smaller properties like Ahilya offer a different experience. Goa stands out because it offers multiple types of luxury beach experiences. And choosing the right one depends on whether you want privacy, activities, or social energy. Check the link in the description. Search the homestay name and book to get discount.